It's been a couple days since my last upload, but guys, I'm doing this video, I'm creating this video at this point to update you of what's going on in the market. Because as you know, I'm in holidays, that's why you don't see me. I'm still in holidays. I'm gonna be fully back by the end of this month. By the end of January, I'm gonna be fully back, active daily, almost daily on X and also on YouTube. So guys, I would like just to update you of what's going on in the last couple days, the last 3 days, specifically in the market, and why actually the world market collapsed. Bitcoin collapsed from $102,000 back to $93,000. You can see that drop here from 102, sorry, almost 103, dropped that much. And of course, altcoins had a bloodbath. Like literally, most of the altcoins have big drops. And in surprise for some of you, because most of you know the power of Kaspa and how stable it is, even if it was so stable from a price appreciation in the last 12 months, it's also, guys, very stable in a potential market crash, Bitcoin crash. Okay, you see, like Kaspa actually dropped from 13.3 cents down to 11.7 cents. Like Kaspa had this small recovery. I told you that we need to break the 14.5 cents and also the 200 daily moving average to consider it, basically to confirm the reversal. But it didn't happen because a couple of reasons that we're going to discuss on this video. That's why I'm creating this video, to show you some reasons why the market actually dropped. And by the way, as we were moving on this kind of zone within 11 and 13 cents on Kaspa, we had an increment on the hash rate. You know what's happening. The price will eventually follow up, and the time that this is gonna happen, Kaspa, guys, will explode. Like, I believe that the time that Kaspa gonna surpass and touch new 88s, the rally gonna go really high. Like, the rocket will skyrocket a lot high. Anyway, I won't speak now for the price appreciation of Kaspa. I'm creating this video mostly to tell you why we dropped, to give you an update. So before I'm gonna jump into the reasons why we have dropped, guys, all you have to do is to destroy the like button, smash the like button, not only to support Chris, but also, guys, to push the word Kaspa into as many people as possible. Because you know, after Bitcoin, the next project in your portfolio should be Kaspa, because Kaspa has the best fundamentals and actually has the most similar fundamentals to Bitcoin that we have ever seen. Anyway, pull a full stop here and let's begin with the reasons of why we dropped the last couple days that match. So initially, the reason number one, guys, is that before today's we had the US job data openings that came better than the expectation. Like it came at 8.1 million, and this was far better data than the expectations. And that's powerful sign for the economy, that the economy of US goes well. And some of you may be gonna ask me, okay, Chris, but if the economy of US goes well, why actually Bitcoin dropped? Because, guys, that's a signal that economy goes well, so Fed will slow down the rate cuts. And that's bearish for risk and volatile assets like crypto. And that's why also altcoins had experienced a bloodbath. So that's the reason number one. The reason number two is that oil price rises on tightening supplies from Russia and OPEC members, alongside with US jobs data. And that's actually, guys, bearish because, of course, this fires up inflation again. Higher oil price because restriction in the supply, that can cause higher inflation. So Fed will slow down again the rate cuts. So that's a reason number two. And we have reason number three is that, guys, Israel is going to attack again Iran. The last couple hours, the intensity has risen again. So this can spark a large-scale war, fear for a potential World War III. So guys, these type of fears can cause a drop, because the tension within Israel and Iran is holding in a very tight line, and a World War III can emerge from nowhere if one of these two countries is going to do something really, really intense to each other. So, yeah, the tension is still intense. So, I hope that we're gonna have peace here after the Trump presidency, but now until Trump gonna be in the office, yeah, we have these type of conflicts even after too many days. It seems that the war is still ongoing, and the fear around World War III is still there. And lastly, guys, another reason that actually caused this drop, of course, this is the new potential pandemic, HMPV. Again, a virus that came out from China and is spreaded away all over the globe. Like even countries like Greece have some exposure to these virus, and this actually reminds us some COVID moments before 4 years, and of course, um, media spread fear again around this potential new pandemic virus, and of course, that varies because it causes fear, and this is another reason why we dropped. Of course, there are plenty more reasons. Now traders gonna say this is the top, recession is coming, and blah blah blah. Like we're gonna have a big drop to $50,000, $40,000, $30,000, $20,000. Of course, there are gonna be plenty more reasons that can cause this kind of fear that we're gonna get lower, and some people are selling because these kind of fear scenarios, conspiracy theories, and all of that stuff. But these are the four main reasons that I discussed here in this video that I believe caused this drop from $102,000 back to $93,000. And of course, guys, Trump will be in the office Monday, 20th of January. So with Trump into the office, we're going to have the strategic reserve plan on Bitcoin. And of course, guys, the announcement of this strategic reserve plan is about to happen in the upcoming months. And also, I believe the current government of US will, the new government of US will actually announce the strategic reserve plan. And after some period of time, they're going to start buying BTC. So I believe with the announcement of the strategic reserve plan in the upcoming months, we're going to have the first big rally of Bitcoin. And of course, with the time that actually US will buy Bitcoin, it's going to be the time that actually we're going to have the peak out of the market. So I believe this is going to be alongside with some more data that probably we're going to have until the end of this year from the Fed. So guys, I believe Q3, Q4 we will see the market top, and of course that can benefit a lot projects like Kaspa, that the development is still ongoing, and in a period of 6-7 months from now we can have a fully developed project, like a full project with the best fundamentals. Like I speak mostly for Kaspa now because Kaspa is going to have 10 blocks per second. Probably we will have all the tier 1 exchanges that will list Kaspa because they know the potential of Kaspa. That's why they delay, because they try to raise lots of liquidity, and especially from the people that are losing patience on Kaspa. They sell Kaspa, but these big entities buy your cheap Kaspa cheap, and they're gonna sell you back, especially for those who sold Kaspa. They're gonna sell you back those Kaspa at 50, 60, 70 cents, where Kaspa gonna have back all of this bear market FOMO. You're gonna buy back Kaspa in such a higher price. Anyway, big entities kept the price of Kaspa low with intention, for my opinion, and I believe, guys, once the market gonna peak out in Q3, within Q4, I believe Kaspa will reach crazy levels, and I believe can go, yeah, from 30 billion minimum up to, yeah, there is no top for Kaspa. There is no top for Kaspa, and the good thing is that at that point, Q3, Q4, Kaspa will be a complete project, 10 blocks per second, full exchanges, full accessibility, smart contracts, stable coins on Kaspa, an ecosystem ready to go to deploy whatever DApp you want, the best and the most decentralized, fast, and secure ecosystem to build your favorite DApp, and much, much more. So Kaspa is a beast, no brainer for me to do not buy Kaspa at 11 cents. We have packed our bags since 2023 and we are ready for this bull run. I hope you have packed your bags on Kaspa as well. And I will close this video here with where you should store your Kaspa. Guys, you should store your Kaspa in cold wallet. Tadzim is the best. Self-custody, guys, is a must. You need to hold your Kaspa offline and not online. And if you're gonna go through my link that you're gonna find in the description or in the pinned comment, it's going to put you on this page where you're gonna notice a promo code CryptoChris, Chris with Y, not with I, where you're gonna grab 10% off in your order. Of course, go with a 3-card set, and if in the promo code section doesn't write my CryptoChris code, write it by yourself by clicking here, add a promo code. You're gonna grab your 10% off, you're gonna save up some money, and if you're gonna click order and you're gonna complete the payment method, you are going to sleep safe at night, the time that actually the Tadzim wallet will arrive in your home. And also I got you guys 2 more bonuses where you can actually buy Kaspa, Bitcoin, or your favorite crypto, and you can have some USDT bonus, extra free money. So why not? You can actually in your next purchase to go through my link, sign up, deposit, and all of that stuff to grab some extra money, extra bonus to buy some more cryptos. It's free, okay? You have nothing to do rather than sign up, deposit, and all of that stuff. So check my links here, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much from my heart. Chris is out. Bye.